Do I write it in vertical way only?
It's not, but that is again new format. No, you'll get confused. Horizontal format only you have to
So
write.
I'll put the. Then I'll need to turn the book. Do it horizontally.
No. See, format means it is a different format. Means the way of writing itself is different. Or vertical format
Oh,
means
okay. No, I meant.
you can write.
Understood. But
You
I
can
meant
write.
like,
Uh,
anyways, no? Okay.
uh, you can write however you want. That is not an issue. So obviously you can write in
Okay.
this one itself, portrait itself. Don't have to write in
Yeah, I'm
landscape.
writing vertically.
So don't have to write in
Yeah, yeah.
landscape. Okay. Prepare final accounts. This one. Okay.
Mm.
Prepare final accounts. Can you see on the screen?
First, I will.
Uh,
Yeah, yeah.
so you tell me what way, where will this come? Capital and drawings. Where will this come?
Okay. Fine. So capital and drawings. So capital is this thing. What's that? Liability. So it'll go balance sheet.
Correct. Okay.
And then drawings will go into profit and loss.
No. Drawings also
No.
balance sheet only. Capital, add capital less
Because it is
drawings.
a.
240 you have to take minus 30,000 you have to take. The net amount will be 2,40,000 minus 30,000, 2,10,000. To that you have to add net profit. So capital will be like this.
Huh?
Capital,
I couldn't. Could you repeat it?
one
Hmm.
moment. So okay. So
Mhm.
this, you can see on the
Yeah.
screen. Okay.
Yeah.
So how you have to write capital account is, so balance sheet will be here. No?
Yeah. Liabilities and assets.
So capital will come here. Capital. So first you have to write capital. What is capital? 2,40,000. 2,40,000.
Okay.
Add net profit.
From
Where you
where
get
did we get this net profit? This
net
is
profit
from
you'll
the
get in
this
profit and
thing,
loss account.
opening
Ah,
profit and loss account.
ah.
This thing we get balance.
So that net profit you have to write here, so that you'll add one amount will come.
Net profit. The net profit for profit and loss account, we
Ah,
got it because of balancing again, right?
yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
Okay, so then what you have to do, you have
Okay.
to subtract drawings here. See, less drawings, less drawings.
Okay.
So that is 30,000. So the total amount, whatever that you have to write here, balance sheet net. Okay, so this is the amount column.
Okay. So we have to minus the drawings from capital amount and then
Yes.
write it.
Okay, like that way.
Where did you write the net profit?
Net profit we have to
Whatever
write
the
because we
amount
don't know.
is.
No, we have not yet found out. No, we have not done. No, the problem.
Okay. So once we find that out, we have to add it in the
Yes,
capital amount, and then from that amount we have to minus drawings.
correct, correct.
Okay. Fine.
Otherwise, we can do like this also. We can less drawings, then we can add net profit. That way also you can do.
Yeah, that's what. Huh. Fine.
Okay. So
Yeah.
whatever you do, ultimately it will be the same thing. Okay.
Fine. Fine. Yeah.
Okay. So let's minimize it. Okay. Now, bills receivable, where it will come?
Bills receivable. Bills receivable is an expense.
No, it is
So,
not expense, dude. Bills receivable is the money. You have got bills in your hand, like they are similar to checks. Bills receivable is nothing but negotiable instrument.
oh,
Bills receivable is negotiable instrument. No, it is similar to check. No.
is it? I don't know.
Yeah. It is. It is. So it is an asset. It will go to balance sheet.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, balance sheet is an asset. Debtors and creditors.
Debtors and creditors are again this thing only, balance sheet.
This okay, balance sheet. Machinery.
Machinery is an asset, balance sheet.
Wages.
Profit. Okay. Huh. Wages go into, these are salary we need to pay, expenses, profit and loss.
Trading
Oh,
account will go. See,
trading.
wages means normally which we are paying to the coolie people, the people who are working in factory. No, on wages
Hmm.
for them we
Okay.
pay. Normally
Okay.
the people only in the factory will work for wages. No, so maybe
Yeah.
daily they will come whenever they want. They will come. If you have any work, you will call them, ask them to work, and then you will pay off. So wages is not regular. It is based on either daily or weekly or something like that you pay. That is what is wages. And normally these type of people are in factory. Okay, so that's why
Okay.
it will always go to trading account, and it is an expense. So after
Okay.
purchases this should come, carriage inward will come, carriage inward and wages will come by default. This also will come there in trading account. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Purchase and sales.
Purchase and sales.
Mm,
So purchase will go into income, profit and loss.
mm.
Sales will go into sales. We say income only. Yeah, both are profit and loss.
Trading account, dude. Trading account.
Oh, purchase is this thing, profit and loss. Sales is, sorry, purchase
Trading
is
account.
trading.
Trading account. Trading is part of
Okay.
profit and loss. It is an
Okay.
expense itself, but it will go to trading account. This also will go to trading account.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Mm.
Sales will go into this thing, no? Yeah, it'll also go to trading. Fine.
That is gross profit. No, that is how you get gross profit. Sales
Got
minus purchases will
understood.
give you gross profit. No.
Yeah,
Okay.
understood.
So commission.
Commission is an interest for us. So it is an income, it'll go in
Mm.
profit loss.
Correct. So it is other income. That's why it will go to profit and loss. Rent.
Hmm. Rent is an expense, so profit and loss.
Correct. Opening stock.
Opening stock will go into trading.
Correct. Salaries.
Salaries is an expense, so it'll go into profit and loss.
Cash.
Cash is an asset, so it'll go into balance sheet.
Returns. So see, debit 10,000, credit 4,000. So returns means I told you have to see reverse. This is purchase return. This is
Which is purchase return.
4,000 is purchase return, because purchase is opposite is returns. So 5 lakh 4,000 minus 4,000 will be net purchases 5 lakh. So 7 lakh 10,000 minus 10,000 will be net sales. 7 lakh is net sales, 5 lakh is net purchases. Trading account, you have to show like that. Purchases 5 lakh 4,000 less returns 4,000, sales 7 lakh 10,000 less sales return 10,000, 7 lakh you have to show in returns. Okay, so that is what returns, you have to be careful. So against this is purchase return, this is purchase return. Okay, so this is purchase return.
Okay.
So this is sales return, because they are opposite of that, no, because you are returning the goods back, right?
Yeah.
You had sold, you are returning. You had purchased, you are returning.
Okay. So we have to minus that amount.
Correct.
You have to minus that amount to the like if it's for cash. I mean, sorry, if it is for returns for sales, then we'll minus it with sales.
Correct.
And then if it's for purchase, then we'll minus it with the purchase amount.
Correct.
Fine.
Okay.
But we'll just
Traveling.
make the entry on the opposite side.
Correct.
I mean, we'll
Traveling.
just look into the. Yeah, fine.
Okay. Traveling.
Hmm. Traveling expense, no? So it'll go into profit and loss.
Okay. Insurance.
Insurance, it is an asset, but it is an expense.
No,
We're
it is
giving for it
expense.
monthly.
Insurance is an expense. You pay,
Yeah,
no,
fine.
normally you have to pay every year, you have to pay, no, insurance.
Yeah.
So, and
So
benefit is
expense.
exhausted.
But
You are not getting any benefit. Means, unless
hmm.
otherwise any damage is there. Correct, na?
Hmm.
So, it is
Correct.
expense. So, profit and loss.
Okay.
Furniture.
And furniture is an asset, balance sheet.
Bad debts.
Bad debts will go into profit and loss.
So, profit and loss. Okay.
Yeah.
So, repairs.
Repairs is an expense, so it'll go into profit and loss.
Okay. Okay, now we can start doing. So, see, it is tallied. Trial balance is tallied, no?
Hmm.
Okay, now we can start doing the problem. So, before that, we'll see if there are any adjustments.
Hmm.
Okay, now you tell me, what will you do with the closing stock?
Closing stock was valued at 2000. Fine. Closing stock. So we'll put this in this thing. Was that trading account end में?
Correct. Correct. And balance sheet.
And balance sheet.
Yeah, it will come in two places. I told you, no, adjustments will always come in two places.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Closing stock. Okay, it's also on that side. So closing stock for balance sheet also will come in the end of the assets.
No, yeah, it will, that particular list I told you, know, how to write. Inventories is closing stock or closing stock itself. It is current asset.
Yeah, in current asset it'll go. Okay,
Uh,
fine.
so, create 5% provision on debtors. What you have to do?
Where is it? Create 5% provision on debtors. So wherever there was debtors, we have to add 5%
You have to
addition.
deduct 5%. No.
Yeah.
5%. Create 5% provision means you think that 5% of money you will not get. So, what is the debtors? What is the debtors? Debtors are
Debtors, sundry debtors, whatever
debtors
debtors are there.
1,20,000. Okay. So,
Where
1,20,000
is
is
it
the
written?
debtors. So, uska,
Where is the debtors?
here you can see, no, adjustments.
Debtors and creditors. Yeah. So
Okay.
fine.
So,
Huh.
5% of this, 5% of this will be 6,000.
We have to just. I'll do 1,000, 1,20,000 minus 5%. No.
So into 5% or minus 5% you can do, into minus
Hmm.
5%. So whatever 5% is 6,000. So this will go to profit and loss and balance
Okay.
sheet also.
If I minus 5%, then
Uh,
it'll only come down to something around lesser. No, it won't come down to 6,000.
no. 1,20,000, only 1,20,000 ka 5% is how much?
Ka 5,000. So I can't minus to get that. No.
No. You just calculate 1,20,000 ka 5% you calculate.
Okay, one sec. 1,20,000.
Mm.
100,000 to 1 lakh. Yeah, 1,20,000
Mm.
minus 5% is coming as 1,14,000.
Yeah, that is correct. Yeah, see, one minute. Okay, so you have to do like this: 1,20,000 minus 5% will be 6,000. So that will become 1,14,000. So this amount will go to balance sheet. You have to show this amount in balance sheet. This will net amount. You have to show this minus this will be this. Okay, this will go
Could
to
you
balance
repeat?
sheet, but this will go to profit and loss also. No, that is a loss
Could you
for us, right?
repeat?
Ah, profit
Could
and
you
loss.
repeat?
See, 1,20,000 ka 5% is 6,000.
Okay.
So we are thinking that 6,000 worth of money will not come.
Okay.
So which is a loss.
Yeah, it is a loss.
Okay, so that's why it will come in profit and loss. 6,000 will come in profit and loss.
Okay. Profit and loss.
Okay,
Fine.
it will come in profit and loss.
It'll be
Uh,
denoted as.
uh, yeah, that's what you have to show it as in what do you say, 3 line, no? So bad debts is also here, no? Bad debts you have to take. Bad debts you have to add 6,000. So for 7,000 plus 6,000, so in there bad debts there we have to show 7,000 plus 6,000.
Okay.
13,000 will
Fine.
come in profit and loss account. 13,000 will come in profit and loss account, and in balance sheet you have to show 1,20,000 minus 6,000. 1,14,000 will come in balance sheet.
Oh, minus in balance sheet, add in this thing.
So because this is loss, 7,000 is already lost. 7,000 people have not paid worth of money.
Yeah. And
Okay.
then for balance sheet,
And for balance sheet we have to just show this. So 1,20,000 debtors will show, no, debtors 1,20,000 minus 6,000, we have to show it as 1,14,000 in the outer column. That's all.
debtors, where is debtors? Loan and
In balance
mortgage,
sheet, current assets again.
current assets,
Mm.
bills and
Mm.
debts.
Okay.
So on debts we have to show 6,000.
In debts we have to show 1,14,000 due. Debtors may 1,20,000 is the amount that is receivable for us.
Yeah.
Minus 6,000 is doubtful. So we will get 1,14,000. So in balance sheet we have to show 1,14,000. So we have to show
Okay.
everything. 1,20,000 minus 6,000, 1,14,000 we have to show in the balance sheet. It is like that.
Okay. Oh, we have to also do the working on the balance sheet
Yes,
itself.
we have to show even that.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Understood.
Okay, so we
Okay.
have to show that.
Okay.
Huh?
Hmm.
I think you didn't practice yesterday's question, no?
I did, but that one just had 1,000, and I didn't understand the debt part. I didn't understand the net profit part. I didn't understand the new provision thing, and I
Okay.
didn't understand like those what is that this thing adjustment parts. I haven't understood. That's all. Everything else I understood.
Okay, so create fiber. This is new provision. Okay, so this is what is
Oh,
new provision, because it is in coming in adjustments. So
okay,
always
so
I
we
told
write
you,
that as label that as new provision.
we can write it as, okay. So always
Okay.
by default this will come.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. For trading and profit and loss, there is no format to be followed, no?
No, that itself. Yeah. Oh, wait 1 minute. I will come. So there is format for everything. Trading also, profit and loss also, balance sheet also. There is a format.
Where I don't see it only.
No,
Like there's
Format.
just four
Wait.
columns.
That is what, that itself is known as format. How you write that, that itself is called format.
Huh, but like there's no section separation like liabilities, assets, and all. Just the incomes will come on this side, and all
Ah,
the expenses will come on
correct.
this side.
And you have to write in that particular order only.
To stock, to purchase, that only.
That order you have to write, correct.
Oh, what if I forget?
No, you have
Whatever
to.
whatever comes in the this thing, what's that? The form, this thing, question paper first. I'll obviously make that entry first.
No. You have to write in that particular format. You have to write.
Hmm.
Okay, you have to put it in that order only, because that is the rule. Because financial statements
Yeah.
is okay.
Something I'll try.
Okay, so insurance prepaid. Next, what you have to do with the next entry? Insurance prepaid to the extent of 200.
Fixed assets is motor vehicle.
No. Motor vehicle is fixed asset.
How it can be sold?
No, where is it? Which, why are you asking? Where is it?
I saw it in my previous question.
No, you are doing this now. You focus on this, because see
Okay.
what business you are doing. Based on that, anything you are using it for the purpose, you can sell. Obviously, you can sell. No, even your building you can sell, but that is not your main source of business. No.
Okay, understood.
Okay, you can sell everything, even machinery you can sell, but that is not your main
Mm.
source of business. So main source of
Yeah.
business is purchases. Okay,
Okay.
purchases
Okay.
and sales. Okay, so insurance prepaid to the extent of 200. So what it is? What you have to do?
Insurance prepaid to the extent of rupees 200. So first of all, insurance will go into this thing, profit and loss, and then prepaid we have to minus it.
Correct.
If it is outstanding expense, we have to add.
Correct.
Prepaid in this thing expenses we have to minus.
Correct. So commission earned but not received. What we have to do with this?
Commission earned but not received. Is this that what's that? Um, we have to first of all minus.
No. Commission earned but not received. You have to add.
Add, yeah,
Okay.
because you said that what's that name? Something from A.
Accrued income.
Accrued income. Is it that only?
Accrued income. Okay.
Okay, yeah. Then add
Outstanding
it.
wages.
Outstanding wages is outstanding wages. It's an expense again. Yeah. So this is also outstanding added.
Correct. Outstanding salaries. So this
Outstanding
is
salaries
trading
also
account.
added.
Profit and loss. This is trading.
Which one is trading? Salaries is.
Outstanding wages is trading. Yeah.
Okay.
Outstanding wages is.
Outstanding wages. Wages. Yeah. Trading. You said fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this will go to profit and
Outstanding
loss.
wages is trading. Trading. So it'll go on the expense side, though.
Correct.
Though.
So you have to add only. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Profit and loss. So salaries will go to profit and loss and balance sheet.
We'll add it to which one though?
Which one? Salaries. Wages we have to add to wages. Okay. Salaries we have to add to salaries.
Wages we have to add to
Wages.
wages. Okay.
Salaries we have to add to salaries.
Okay. Fine.
Machinery by 15%, furniture by 10%.
Same thing. We have to minus from machinery 15%, furniture say 10%.
So it will appear in the profit and loss and balance sheet. How much will appear in profit and loss and how much will appear in balance sheet? 15%, 10%. 1 minute. 15%, 10%. Machinery is 15%, no? So this one is 15%, right? Machinery 15%.
That is machinery.
Machinery is here, see? You can see.
Mm,
Furniture is 10%. Here you can see.
machinery 15%. Yeah.
Okay, this is 10%. So how much it will be? 40,000 ka 15% will be 6,000. Just calculate and see. 40,000 ka 15% will be 6,000.
40%.
40,000 ka 15%.
40,000 minus
No, just calculate into, yeah. First you calculate into 40,000
40,000 into
into 15%.
15%. 6,000.
6,000. So this will go to profit and loss. Okay. So
Okay.
6,000 will go to profit and loss. So what will come in balance sheet?
What
Minus
will
is equal
come
to,
in?
you put. You do one thing. Minus you put.
Okay.
Is equal to, you put.
Okay.
How much you got? 34,000.
It is showing invalid.
You are using calculator or what? Phone.
Minus in phone.
No, phone you should not use. You should use calculator. Phone is not allowed.
I'll get calculator.
Yeah, you get calculator.
Okay. Um. So, what was it from the beginning?
40,000 into 15% you put.
40,000 into
15%.
15%. I've got 6,000.00.
Okay, 6,000. Minus you put. Just press on minus.
Minus
Is equal to, you put.
is equal to. I got minus 6,000.
What you did, you didn't do properly. 40,000 into 15% minus is equal to, if you put, you will get 34,000. That's all.
Wait, I'll do it again. 40,000
into
into
15%
15%
minus
minus
equal to.
34,000.
Like that you will get.
Mm.
That is the way you have to use calculator. Okay, so you cannot otherwise. Again you have to take 40,000. Again you have to subtract 6,000. You'll get 34,000. That way also you can do.
Okay, so we did this for what?
For we have to show this in balance sheet. 40,000 minus 6,000. 34,000 will come in balance sheet. This 6,000 will come in profit and loss. Here, see, here you can see on the screen.
1 minute. Where
40,000
did the screen go? Okay, I got. For which one you're doing furniture, no?
Machinery
Machinery.
40,000 into 15% 6,000.
Okay.
That 6,000 will go to profit and loss.
Okay.
Net amount will go to balance sheet. 34,000 will go to balance sheet.
34,000 will go into balance sheet because we minus 6,000.
Correct.
From 40,000.
Correct.
So we can just directly minus 40,000 from 6,000 and just put it as that, no?
34,000 we can just write. But ultimately 34,000 is the net asset, no, for us. That is the
Yeah.
value of machinery in balance sheet. So that we have to show. So now coming to furniture, 18,000 into 10%. 18,000 into 10% you do. 18,000 into 10% is 1,800.
We have to do furniture 18,000 into 10%. Whatever answer we get, that much we have to write in profit and loss.
Correct. So profit and loss we have to write this. Okay.
Hmm.
So now 18,000 minus 1,800, so that will be 16,200.
18,000 minus.
1,800,
Okay.
16,200 you have to show in balance sheet.
I didn't understand this
No,
one.
no, 18,000 is the value of furniture, no?
Yeah.
So the value, there is a loss of 1,800. The value has come down by 10%, no?
Yeah.
So
1,800.
18,000 minus 1,800 is how much?
Okay. So how much ever that is, we have to
Hmm.
write it in balance sheet.
Yes, we have to show that also. We have to show
Okay.
18,000 minus 10%, 1,800 is 16,200 net amount you have to show.
Okay. Net amount we denote that as. Okay.
Understood?
Yeah. Understood.
Okay. So now we will start with the problem.
We'll show this on the this thing. What's that? Which side? Current asset side or
No, it is
which
fixed
side?
asset, no. Furniture,
Fixed asset.
machinery and all we will use for
Uh,
several years, no?
fine. Understood.
Okay.
Hmm.
Basically this will be easy only. Since I am explaining, it will take you, it is taking more time for that year so that you don't commit mistake.
Okay.
Okay. So now we
Okay.
will start with the problem. So how to start with the problem? First you have to do this job. Okay. So first you have to find out where it will come so that it will become easier for you.
Hmm.
So that answering will become easy. Okay.
Fine.
Okay. Now we will start with the problem.
Okay.
So so the heading says loss. Can you see it on the screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Trading and profit and loss account for the year. So this could be the heading like this. Okay. For the year
Okay.
ended. So what is the year which ended? What is the year?
For that sum,
Hmm.
1 minute. You're doing for 2024, no, sir?
No, no, no. Oh, 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 oh. See, you don't even know what we are doing. Hmm?
I was seeing your screen. I didn't see with some.
Okay.
Oh, it's 7:20.
It's getting late.
Yeah. By the time I get ready and come, only gone time.
Okay, so what you will do? So you'll do the rest of the problem on your own. So wait 1 minute. I'll just show
Yeah.
you how to do. So see,
Yeah.
you have to write the heading and like
Hmm.
this. You can see now on the screen. You can see now.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Heading, we have read trading profit and loss
Uh, for
account
the
for
year
the
ended.
year.
Uh,
Okay.
ended. Okay. So opening
Okay.
stock. So what is the
We'll
value of
write the
opening?
year that they've given on the thing only, no?
Uh,
Okay.
so purchases less returns. So
First
carrying
stock,
uh, opening stock. This is opening stock, which is there in trial balance.
where is
Carry.
opening stock? To stock you haven't put, no?
So we have to write. I am not writing because you are getting late.
Okay, okay, okay. But we have to
So
write to stock first. Hmm.
you have to write the value. What is the opening stock value?
Opening stock value
Mm.
with some, sir.
Uh, just now we discussed, no, yeah.
I didn't see that some. I didn't see like which one, which year it is.
2020 only, I think so.
2020.
Ah,
2020.
ah. Another
Then,
PDF you send me, no? There are two PDFs,
yeah,
right? First one, second
yeah,
one.
yeah.
The
Yeah.
second one, okay?
Okay,
You look
opened.
at that.
Yeah. Uh, Prepare three column cash book account. Journalize the foreign trend books of Raghavendra. If they say journalize the following transaction in books of Raghavendra,
Mm.
we have to write what as the this thing heading?
That's all. Journal. That's all. Don't try have to write anything. Journal entries.
Just
That's all.
journal.
Just you write
Just
journal.
journal
That's all.
for the year 2017.
Don't worry. So don't write anything. Just write journal. That's all.
Okay,
So
fine.
only for trial balance and balance sheet and profit and loss account you have to write the. It is for the year करके. Other no,
Okay,
you write whatever question they have written, the same thing you write and just write the answer. That's all.
fine.
Hmm?
Sales book purchase returns into the following transaction. Enter the following transaction: purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, sales return book. The
See.
last like this also.
I told you no yesterday.
The same thing what I did with purchase book, I just have to write it with sales book, purchase returns and sales return, right?
Separately you have to write. Separately.
Yeah, separately for
Uh,
each this thing.
Correct.
Okay, fine, fine.
Okay.
Yeah, and then what's the name? Prepared final accounts for the year ended. Fine, year
Okay.
31st 3 2017.
31st 3 2017 no
Yeah,
for the year ended
yeah.
31st.
Opening stock is 1,80,000.
Okay, 31st March 2017 like this you have to write. Opening stock is
1,80,000.
1,80,000
Yeah.
like this. What is purchases? 1,17,000
Purchases
1
is
lakh
5 lakhs. This debit 5 lakhs for 4,000.
5 lakh 4,000. So you have to show like this. See 5 lakh 4,000 minus 4,000. Okay, returns is 4,000. So the net amount is 5 lakh. You have to write here 5 lakh.
Purchases 5,000 for.
5 lakh
Oh,
4,000
the
minus
adjustment they've given. Closing the
no, not in
value.
adjustment. The same line you see down.
Uh,
Returns.
Purchase. Returns. Returns is 4,000.
Hmm.
10,000 they've given.
4,000. So I told you no, you have to cross do it. So
Returns is 10,000.
no purchase return. It is not purchase return. It is on debit side means it is sales return. On credit side it is purchase return.
Purchase is 5 lakhs 4,000. So
Returns is
from that we have to see this thing, right?
opposite side.
Returns. Returns they've written as 10,000 on debit side.
That is sales return, dude.
Okay, understood. And then
You didn't see what I
4,000 is
explained
the.
to you.
I still get confused with that. Okay,
What?
fine. 4,000 is the
Uh,
opposite side we need to
uh,
take. Okay.
uh. So sales will come here,
Okay.
no? Sales will come here.
Hmm.
Sales, how much? What is the value of sales? 7 lakh.
Sales is sales 7 lakh 10,000.
7 lakh 10,000, no? 7 lakh
Yeah.
10,000 less sales return 10,000. So it will
Hmm.
be 7 lakh. Like this you have to
Understood.
show. Okay, closing stock will
Fine.
come here. Closing stock. What is the value of closing stock given in the adjustments?
Closing stock is valued at 2 lakhs.
2 lakhs. Okay. So like this only you have to write.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So then, so here carriage inward will come here. Nothing is there. Just leave it. Wages is there, no?
Yeah, wages is there.
So what is the wages?
Wages they've given us wages 78,000.
78,000, no?
Yeah.
78,000. Add outstanding. There is
And we
outstanding,
have to
no?
add 2,000. Yeah.
Add outstanding
Let's
2000.
add 2000. Yeah.
Okay, so 78
Okay.
plus 2 is 80,000, so it has to come like this.
Hmm. This
That's why.
won't come in this thing, no? Balance sheet.
No, 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 it will not come. This will come in
Fine.
balance sheet. This one, 2000 will come in balance sheet. 4000, yeah, only 2000 will come in balance sheet. Now we have to add
What will I show 2000 as?
outstanding. So outstanding wages, outstanding salaries, everything will come in current liabilities. Along with creditors, you have to show because they are also
Oh,
payables. No,
okay.
see
Fine.
here,
Now I'm
7
asking.
lakh plus 2 lakh is 9 lakh. So 9 lakh you have to
Hmm.
write. So 9 lakh. So here it is 1 lakh 80,000 plus 5 lakh. It is 6 lakh 80,000. 6 lakh 80,000 plus 80,000 is 7 lakh 60,000. 7 lakh 60,000 minus 9 lakh is 1 lakh 40,000. So 1 lakh 40,000 is gross profit.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay. So
Yeah.
1 lakh
Fine.
40,000 is gross profit. So this you have to total it up here. So 9 lakh here also. So in the next side here after the thing, this itself will come here. So here gross profit.
14,000 you got by minusing from the balancing amount, no?
Yeah, it's not 14,000. It's 1 lakh 40,000.
Yeah, 1,40,000 you got from minusing the amount of
Uh,
the this
uh,
thing.
uh.
Okay.
So gross profit. So gross profit again you have to write here. So 1 lakh 40,000 you have to start again. So all the expenses for profit and loss will come here, and then all the other incomes will come here, and then ultimately you have to continue.
Hmm. Fine. Fine. Two salaries also will come there only, no?
No, no, next in profit and loss. After
Yeah,
this
in profit only. Yeah, in profit and loss only two salaries will start off,
so
right?
gross profit is here. So gross
Hmm.
profit how much? 1 lakh 40,000. No, so wait a minute.
Yeah.
So 1 lakh 40,000 is gross profit. So from here again two salaries.
Hmm.
Okay, so what is the value of salaries?
Salaries. 21,000.
21,000. What is outstanding?
Outstanding is creative outstanding salaries 3,000.
3,000. So here in
We'll
this
add.
column it should be 24,000.
Hmm.
This is how you have to keep doing it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
So all the other expenses will come here. So keep writing it, keep writing it, keep writing it. That's
Okay. Okay.
it. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. All the best. So I think you have to get ready and go, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay then.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Bye. Mm.